Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the MUCAR DriverScan OBD2 Bluetooth diagnostic tool. Here it is. As you can see, super portable shape, very easy to fit inside a glove compartment and carry with you all the time. It's super nice because it's Bluetooth, so all you have to do is get the MUCAR app and you can view important diagnostic information about components such as the engine, fuel, cylinders. You can also view stuff about like the brakes and airbags. And if you ever have a check engine light on, this will tell you what the issue is. So it's super nice to see that important information about your car. And again, it's just an app, so you just simply plug this in, turn on your car. You can go ahead and read that information straight from your phone. Lots of other devices, you need to use the actual keypad on the device. But this one, you can just see it all on your phone, like take screenshots, stuff like that. So as you can see, there is the slot to go ahead and plug this thing in. Just simply slide it over like that, push it up, and you're good to go. I'm now in the MUCAR app, and as you can see, I can do onboard diagnostics, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And you can basically read fault codes, you can look at test results. So as you can see, I'm going to look at the fault code right here, pick my model of car, and then it gives me what is causing my check engine light system too lean. You can even click the search button and it plugs it right into Google for you. Going back, like while you're driving, you can see the speed, horsepower, torque, and then it also has maintenance options down here, so you can go ahead and do that.